Hey everybody, this is Willy from WA Academy, and today I'll be talking about how to track your VA's productivity, or rather the 3 applications that I'm using to make your life easy, to make my life easy. So the first thing first is I'm using this tool called the Asana, alright? So Asana, right, is something like this. It has this ability called, or rather it has this function called the Kanban chart, where it's like, this kind of chart, and your VA team, right? Okay, so normally, right, they need to complete like task 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. So, the task completion is this way from left to right. So they need to do task number 1 first, then they can go on to task number 2. For example, the task number 1 maybe is, to find product idea. So this is find product idea. Task number 2 is to check patent. Because the thing is that, if they didn't look for a product, then they can't check the patent, right? To make sure that, if this product is already patent, that means you cannot sell this product, right? So they need to go step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, right? So Kanban chart will help you to manage this kind of, process. So you can see, which part of the task your VA will be stuck, right? And they have this little card that you can shift things around. So the card will be here. So if the VA has already done task number 1, this VA can actually shift to task number 2. All right, so this card you can actually shift around. So I'm so sorry that I can't show you our team's Kanban chart because there's a lot of things to actually blanco out. But in any case, you can go to their website and register for a free account. Right, then you are able to actually see the whole thing itself. Right. So the other thing is, the other app that I'm using also is Trello. It's the same thing, right? So it also have the Kanban chart function. This is what I want to mention to you earlier. So you can actually shift this card, from left to doing to done. All right. So from to do, doing to done. All right. So you are able to track everything over here, and you can even comment inside the card itself, same like the Asana app. Right, so you can comment, you can attach your pictures, you can attach any Google Sheet, attach any information. All right, and you can assign different people to do different things. All right, so let's say for example, maybe you have a task, you have a product that needs maybe 2 VAs to go and look for a supplier, for example. So you can assign 2 VAs into one card itself and task that 2 VAs to look for suppliers. And once they are done, and once they are, when they are doing the product, when they are looking for the supplier, they can shift from to do to doing. And once they have done looking for the supplier already, they can shift from doing to done. All right, so they can do that. So, the thing is that the other application, all right, that I always like to use is Flock. Okay, so Flock, right, you may say that, hey, why you cannot talk to your team in Asana or Trello? Okay, it's because Asana and Trello, right, they are Kanban chart, they have charts, but sometimes we want to communicate as per normal to coordinate certain things, right? So, we use Flock, all right, to coordinate everything. And the thing is that, we don't use WhatsApp, we don't use Telegram, we don't use, things like this. Because WhatsApp, Telegram, or Skype, they can actually just call you randomly, if you are busy and you do not want somebody to call you, right? Or if you're out of your office hours, then you just want to keep everything business. So you can actually, communicate everything through Flock, right? At least your own personal life will be separated from your business life, right? So Flock, I prefer to use that, and it can be integrated into Trello and also Asana, all right? So yeah, you can use Flock, or if you want to actually use everything all in one, that means Asana, Trello, and Flock together, then you can use Slack, all right? Same thing. But the thing is that for my team, we are very used to using Asana and Flock at least. These two are, so far we have invested a little bit of money here and there. And the thing is that it's pretty simple to use. If you're somebody who likes simple stuff, just move things around, Kanban chart, this kind of things, right? This is very simple. So in running business, right, keep it simple and sweet, all right? Don't overcomplicate things. Okay, but I'm not saying that Slack is complicated. Slack, I think there's some kind of investments involved. You can compare, right? So, just long story short, I'm using Asana, Trello, and Flock, right? We are also exploring Slack right now to combine everything together. But the thing is that, it's up to you for you guys to explore. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.